My name is Mohit Oswal. I am the managing director of Roop Auto, where we make critical components for our customers, both passenger and commercial vehicle. And we are the preferred supplier because we offer full traceability right to the steel lot based on every invoice that we send out. And looking at the trust of our customer and growing demand, we are rapidly expanding capacity in our current facilities, and we are also going to make a state-of-the-art world-class forging facility which will be operational in the next 24 months. Also, we would be moving into cold forging so we can meet the entire spectrum of need based on our customers, both domestic and global.
We receive raw material bars as per our technical delivery condition from customer approved sources. Total 30 different grades of raw material is received at Roop Auto Forge for further processing. Raw material is stored under shed to prevent it from rust. For raw material approval, we are capable of conducting 27 different types of tests. Centralized FIFO boards are maintained for all raw material grade and sections along with raw material stock. Our shearing facility is equipped with 4 shearing presses, a circular saw and a band saw. In-house tool room is equipped with vertical milling machines to manufacture all tools and dies. Our forging facility is equipped with 5 presses starting from 750 tons to 1600 tons and 7 hammers ranging from 1 ton to 2 ton to cater to different demands of the customer for a part weight ranging from 60 grams to 8 kgs. Our forging facility is equipped with induction heaters. After heating, billets are automatically segregated for overheat, underheat using double color infrared radiation pyrometer. We have conveyorized continuous furnace to meet our heat treatment requirements. Our furnaces are equipped with multiple convector motors to maintain uniform temperature inside furnace. In our heat treatment furnace, human intervention is minimized with the help of human machine interface HMI. It governs and records the furnace operation, alarms and data using 35 different sensors. Post heat treatment, parts are taken for shot blasting, fettling and coining before they are subjected to final inspection. We are doing visual inspection for crack, underfill, short fill issues, and also conducting dimensional check for OK oversized undersized parts. All parts produced in Roop Auto Forge are checked using magnetic particle inspection to avoid customer complaints for crack. We have state-of-art eddy current testing machines with auto gate sorter for hardness, material grade mix-up, wrong heat treatment. We also have ultrasonic testing facility to detect internal cracks. Limit samples are used, displayed at required station. Our machining section is equipped with SPMs and CNCs based on customer machining requirement. We have a dedicated railway clip manufacturing line from where we have catered to Indian Railways as well as international customers like Sri Lankan Railway, Korean Railway as well. We develop 3D model for part using Unigraphics and Forge 11 simulation software to optimize the die and tool design for smooth grain flow, input weight, and to reduce defects such as underfilling, fold, lap, etc. Fully equipped lab is available in Roop Auto Forge for conducting destructive and non-destructive tests such as chemical composition, hardness, microstructure, grain size, inclusion rating, Jomny hardenability, grain flow, etc. Specimens of raw material and heat-treated parts are stored for identified period and revalidated every year. We implement part traceability system using letter embossed on parts through dies. For example, LUKT, where L denotes Roop Auto Forge, U denotes steel mill, K denotes the heat from the steel mill, and T denotes code for production lot sequence.
We are very thankful to our customer. We are where we are basically due to the guidance and support of our customers. Thank you.